Hello friends, I'm Sapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, see today we are going to draw a village scenery. So friends, at first we have to divide the page into four equal pieces. Then we'll start a lady from the middle. Okay, friends, see the step by step. When you draw the lady, at that time you try to follow the middle line. See, if you follow the middle line, then you can draw this one very easily. And why will draw the middle line? You know, it's called balance line. If you draw with balance line, then you can draw this one very easily. I'm sure that if you follow these steps or process, you can learn very easily any composition. You can draw any composition with very easily. See, at first we have to complete the lady. After that, we can do so many things. So at first, we have to complete the lady properly. See the balance line. It's a very important thing. Okay, see now almost our human figure is completed. Okay, now we can go background. See, from here we have to start the stairs. Okay, and I'm sure that if you want, then you can draw this drawing like me, and it's not too tough. If you follow the steps, you can draw this one also. Okay, see, here we'll do some trees. Here also we'll add some trees. After that, we can add some backgrounds. See, friends, you know, this drawing is a very easy. If you follow the steps, you can draw this one very easily. I'm sure that if you want, you can draw this one. Okay, now our this tree also completed. Now we can go to the pond. Okay, see, here also we can add a tree. Okay, and after that we can do some houses, pond and land also. Okay, friends, is this tough? I don't think so is tough. And see, our drawing almost completed, and here we are learning only drawing. Okay, and friends, I told so many times that if you want, you can send me your work. I can check your work. Okay, and if you want to draw, or if you want to start the color, you can. Here you can apply any medium, water, pencil, pastel, and medium you can use. Okay, but here I am showing only drawing. See, here we are learning how to make a composition. Friends, if you want this video is helpful video, then please don't forget to share with your friends. Okay, all of you, bye.